Hey you guys, it's your girl Lady T. Let's make some spooky Halloween party treats. These are dirt cups, always fun for the kids, with Oreo cookies, cake, chocolate pudding, Cool Whip, and some of your favorite candies. Easy because they're in individual little containers and no mess. They came out super cute. So here I'm going to make a chocolate caramel Frankenstein cake, my version, y'all. So I cut the top off of my cake. I added some caramel filling. That's simple syrup, you guys. And this is a caramel filling that I added in. And my frosting is buttercream frosting that I just dyed green, you guys. And here is Mr. Frankenstein. Yes, his eyes are glowing. And I got some little Halloween buckets that I fill with candy and use that as a little decoration on the sides. Vanilla cupcakes into some spooky cupcakes. They're all buttercream frosting except for some are caramel and some are cheesecake. Have a happy, safe Halloween, you guys. See you on the next one. It's your girl, Lady T.